Time. What is the time? Just lit the fire. It was 20 earlier. Now it's gone up to 21. Just lit the fire. Still got the gas in here. I gotta move that motherfucker now. The birds seem to be okay. Just added extra bit of wood. Tired of this walking out midnight. There's my pot of tea there. Some of there. Yeah, that's about it. Oh yeah, done the measurements, put them in, all of that there. They're swacking, man. And I gave them a little bit of light to keep them hungry, but fuck, they smashed everything. They're getting bigger, they're eating like hell. They're drinking again. You can see the little clicks as usual. That little corner there bothers me quite a bit. Yeah, not too bad. Sometimes, there's the corner starting. Yeah, there. That's bloody shit. You know. Topped up the water with the stress pack as usual. Salt I had given them early this morning. I mean the sugar, I'm saying bloody salt. Sugar, sorry, for glucose basically. Seem to be fine so far, no problems. Thus far. Hopefully, nothing else happens. Let's see what happens. I'll give you a report again soon.